Alright, so let's go through this question 3. So question 3, we are asked to solve the simultaneous equation, right? So, okay, of course, the first equation is this. Second equation is as such, right? Okay, let's talk about the first equation first. First equation, first thing I want to make everything to be in terms of the same base. Meaning that if you look at 25 and 125, right, I can make it into 5 to the power something. So for the for this 25, I can put 5 square. Of course, not to forget the m. So you multiply by, so 125 is, if I'm not wrong, it's 5 to the power 3. Okay, so it's 5 to the power 3. Then of course n, right, equal to 1. So of course, for the left hand side is a multiply, and they have the same base, meaning that you can combine them together. So 5 2m multiply by 5 3n. So you just apply the first law, right? So it is plus 3n equal to 1. So how do I make the 1 into something, into 5 to the power something? Always remember, anything to the power 0 is 1. Meaning that this thing, right, the 1, you can actually put in this 5 to the power 0. So this thing, so you can see, right, the base you can just throw away. You just need to compare the power. So the first equation is 2m plus 3n, right, equal to 0. So, okay, so this one I'll just put maybe first lah. Right. Okay, so next thing will be your second equation, right? So 27n divided by square root 3m, 81 square root 3. Okay, so same idea, I want to make the second equation in terms of 3. So okay, this one I write here. Okay, so 27n, right, I can make it into 3 to the power of 3. And okay, so by looking at square root 3, right, square root 3, we know that is, in terms of indices, is 3 to the power of half. So 3 to the power of half times m, right? So it's 3. So divide by 3 half m is equal to, so next thing will be this, the whole thing here. So 3 to, okay, 81 itself, right? So this thing is, I think is 4. Okay, 3 to the power of 4. 3 to the power of 4. Then this thing is, square root 3 is 3 to the power of half. Right? Okay, so you can see, right, 3 to the power of 4 times 3 to the power of half. Apply the law of indices. So this will give you 3 to the power of 4.5. I just need to plus together. 4 plus half is 4.5. Okay, so next part will be divide. So if you look at this, right, the left hand side you divide means that you want to apply the second law. So 3 to the power of 3n minus half n. So this will give you 3 to the power, okay, 4.5 maybe I put in terms of improper fraction, 9 over 2. Okay, so this thing, so you can see, I can throw away the base already. What I want to do is to compare the power. So 3 to the 3n minus half m is equal to 9 over 2. So okay, so this one I put second equation. So next thing I will just use my elimination method, because you see 2m here minus 2m. So this one for equation number 2, I multiply by 4 first. So I multiply by 4 for equation 2, right? What I will get is 12n minus 2m equal to, so 9 over 2, so it's 18. So let's call this equation 3. So equation 3, so you use equation 3 plus equation 1. So this will give you, okay, let's do this together. So this whole thing here plus this whole thing here. So the 2m is being cancelled. What is left is 12n plus 3n. So this will give you 15n. Then right hand side is just 18. 18 plus 0 is 18, right? So 18. So n is equal to 18 divided by 15, which is about, about 6 over 5. So this n. Of course, the next part will be n. So for m. So m, you sub the 6 over 5 into the equation 1. So 2m plus 3, 6 over 5 is equal to 0. So 2m plus 18 over 5 equal to 0. 2m equal to negative 18 over 5. m is equal to negative 9 over 5. Hopefully, I didn't make any calculation mistake.